Good morning. It is July 4th, 2024. I was able to rent the stump grinder today, so here's one stump. We have, there's not much of a wind, so the little black flies are out. Got a chainsaw. We're going to cut. There's a stump there, and the stump there is 2 to start with. Going to cut that, get the stump grinder, grind it, and level it off. Okay, so let's get down lower so I can see this perspective. So this was a stump here, and we ground it, and we're just gonna rake this back in to level it off. And you can see this is our Barreto. I don't know what number it is, but yeah. So I think it's a 19-inch, so it's a 30G. It's a 19-inch stump grinder, works really good. And then we got to take out that one next. And the reason, a lot of stumps in the forest to grind, but why do we choose these two? Because this is part of a turning radius for here to be able to get the wood chipper in here and move around that way. So that's why we're doing it. Okay, that was a stump, and now it's leveled off, and it helps with the turning radius. We got another one to do. Alright, here's stump number 3. Kind of see it impacts the turning radius there. If you get back far enough, you can see if you're cutting over. So that's our next one. Okay, there's number 3. Coming number 4 right here. Does it interfere with anything? Yeah. We like to have this area for use, so I'm going to clean it out. Okay, stump number 4, all set. Okay, number 5, and this one is next to the boardwalk here, so it's going to interfere with the edge of the cart and mowing on that side. So we're going to stump grind that one for number 5. Okay, this is number 5, I believe. All set. We'll put the pieces back on and move on. Bugs on my screen. What the hell? Okay, there's number 6. And you can kind of see that it had to go around the tree, so I like to get rid of that and straighten it out a bit. Okay, that's number 6. It was a pretty big stump and it was ash, so it took a while to get through it. So we leveled that off. Okay, on to number 7. Okay, stump number 7. Kind of see. This tree actually was bent all the way down. It cut, it came back up. So now we're going to stump grind this out. Okay. This was a pretty big area because the roots were all pulled up. Well, let's have a look. So we're gonna pile all this dirt and wood chips back in the hole once it came so it can settle in. And we need some more water and we need some lunch. All right, we got that has to go on the cart. We'll put it on a trail somewhere for Phil. Let's just have a look and see. Yep, so pretty good. We'll let that settle because we didn't dug too deep, but it needs to settle a bit, and then we'll regrade.